I am at 2621 Lorain Avenue, and we are in the Market District. So there's a lot going on over here. St. Ignatius is right there. We got Hanta Brewery, Farkas Bakery, got a cigar shop. So this is the side of the building here. It is a gable roof, although it looks like a flat roof from the front. It is a gable. It's pretty big. There's the storefront, apartment above, 2 apartments in back. One is not livable currently. So across the street we got Great Lakes Brewery, West 25th Street's right there, the Westside Market. So this is Action Central in Cleveland right now. So it has, pretty much always has been. So, you know, it needs work. It needs a good paint job. Landscaping's pretty nice. Windows, some windows are old, but you know, location. We are going to get into a couple of units here. Backyard's awesome. There's like this great little backyard, landscaped. Got a little patio here. You can see it's taken care of by the tenant. This also comes with an extra lot. This is not it. This is part of the main parcel. But I'm going to stand up on a chair and look over this fence, because this is the lot that goes with it. So this fronts onto West 26th Street. In the background, you see the new intro apartment building. So we got a little unit downstairs here. It's actually really pretty cute. The tile shower. One bedroom, but lots of light. It's cute. Here. Oh, it's like a walk-in closet or something. Office. Let's call it a 1 bedroom with an office. And then we'll go upstairs. Again, actually, if you can see, that's downtown back there. It's the BP building, or what was formerly the BP. I think it's 200 Public Square now. So, you know, it looks rough, but actually you start getting in here and it looks better as you go. You know, the wood floors are in decent shape, ceiling. You know, you get some piping running, and you've got the furnace is right here, so it needs some reorganization. There's no kitchen right now. There's the plumbing. Looks like it's set up for a bathroom. There's a bathroom up front, though. So there's some plumbing here. And I guess this is a bedroom and possibly an office. Again, you know, look at the views. You got downtown in the background, Westside Market right there. This is, like I said, the heart of it all. And then there is a bathroom here, so it does look like it probably functions. Okay, that's all I got.